This latest version groundbreaking app writes and rewrites unlimited unique content for any niche and in any language by using artificial intelligence in less than a minute. Auto-write unlimited articles that offer value and rank. This is how I create unlimited automated content in less than 60 seconds. Write like Tony Robbins, or any other influencer, automatically. Smart app writes completely understandable content in less than 60 seconds. Want unlimited automated content? Artificial intelligence writes and rewrites unique content in less than a minute. Unique content on demand in less than a minute. That's right, automated content on demand in any niche and any language. Artificial intelligence writes content for you in any niche in any language. Perfectly comprehensible content generated by artificial intelligence. Meet your new content writer and marketer. Do not spend any money on content writers or marketers. A must-have content creation and marketing solution for any WordPress site owner, tired of writing.
Hey, it's Ishlal, and in this video, I'm going to show you Content Gorilla's all-new artificial intelligent engine in action. Now, at the very basic level, what it can do for you is it can create content and it can paraphrase your content. So let me just quickly show you the paraphrasing feature first. Now, as you can see, it says, today I'm going to share 7 data marketing strategies that I have personally used and gotten results with. And if there's only one thing that you take away from this video, it's to not try all of these at once. Instead, pick one of these strategies, experiment, and master the channel before moving on to the next. Let's get to it. Let's just I want to only use this much, and in just one click, the artificial intelligent engine will completely paraphrase this for me. And you can see now it says, in this video I'll be sharing 7 digital marketing strategies that have worked for me in the past. Some of these strategies may be new to you, while others may be strategies you have tried in the past and did not see the same results. The most important thing to remember is to experiment and find what works best for your business. As you can see, completely rephrased, completely unique, and makes 100% sense. It's not gibberish like a content spinner would return you, right? Now that's the paraphrasing feature. Now let's go ahead and ask it to sort of write about something, like, say, expand on this particular thing. So what I'll do is I'll just select this area and then click on the write content button for me, and then I will just ask it to professionally expand it. I can also choose the casual tone, or I can specify if I want it to be in the voice of a particular person, and I'm going to show that in just a second. But let's just go with a professional expansion of this particular sentence. Now, as you can see, it completely expanded that piece of that one line into 3 paragraphs. What this means is that we pay more attention to the content that is already out there than we do to creating new content. We rely on opinions, research, and that. And as you can see, the quality here, the quality here is absolutely amazing. Like, this is exactly how a human would write it. And the reason this engine is so smart is because it has consumed 10% of the entire internet, right? So it's very smart. And this is not an if-then statement. This is true artificial intelligence. Now, let's say that I want to write a little bit about something in a particular person's voice. And, well, it's sort of talking about SEO here. So let's just say, let's just ask the engine to write about this, and let's say I want it to be in the voice of Neil Patel. And if, for those of you that don't know, Neil Patel is a one of the very famous bloggers who writes a lot about SEO and all of that, So now the engine goes in, writes about it in the voice of Neil Patel. And for those of you that are aware of how he speaks, you can actually go and sort of compare it, and you'll see that it is actually the content is written in such a way that you could assume him speaking the similar way, and obviously very high quality content that no plagiarism, completely unique and so well written. right? So that's how powerful Content Gorilla's artificial intelligent engine is, and it's a big breakthrough, and definitely something that we have worked very hard to involve inside the Content Gorilla app.